add a little water. Lang, then mix na. And that's it. You have your own cereal. Sarap guys. Grabe guys. Try it. Movie. Nabili ko yung Moby sa Pure Gold ng 6 pesos ang isa.